Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to the channel if you're new here. I cannot believe it's been a whole year since I made my last rust proofing video. In this video today I'm going to take a look at the chassis and see how it's holding up. It's been a whole year since we did any work on the chassis, so it'll be interesting to see if any rust has started coming through. And I'll also be applying some more Waxoyl to the inside of the chassis. This is a great method for keeping the rust down. This Waxoyl is really messy to apply, so I'm just going to change into something I don't mind getting dirty. That's right, it's my favourite Waxoyl in hoodie. It's like a work of art now. It's going to be even better after this. Alright, I'm just going to use this gas cooker to heat up the Waxoyl. It's all solid inside here at the moment, so I just put it on there. Be careful because the Waxoyl is flammable. Let's put this outside. It's not going so well. The gun just started leaking everywhere, all over the cooker, which caught fire. Luckily it's just an old one. At least it will stop my cooker from rusting. Right, let's try again. So make sure you warm it through without the gun attached, because it will pressurise this bottle otherwise and just spill everywhere. Right, that's nice and warmed through. I'm also going to put in some old engine oil, because why not? I've got some lying around and it'll just make the Waxoyl go a bit further. Makes it slightly thinner as well, so it gets in all the nooks and crannies. Any oily substances you can get your hands on, whack it in the chassis, attach the gun. Safety glasses on, just put my hood up. Put this mask on as well, because you don't want to breathe in any of the oil vapours. Right, I'm going to get my gun. Completely fill the chassis with this Waxoyl, you see. Comes out quite nice. Just cooking up some more. I'll put a litre of Waxoyl in the chassis, so I'll probably do another 2 litres. Just fill it up as much as possible where I can get to. Put some old engine oil in here. It's a good way for recycling your engine oil as well. See if it pours. Oh, me, yeah it does. Alright, let's carry on.
Oh no. Oh, goodness me. That's why you wear safety glasses.
The nozzle just got kinked up and it blew the bottle off. It went absolutely everywhere.
Oh god.
Absolutely covered in wax oil. It stinks. My jumper's nicely wax oiled up now, so there's no chance of this rotting away either. I'm thinking about starting a Turner's Workshop fashion range. Wax oil jumpers and t-shirts. As you can see, the chassis is holding up pretty well from the rust treatment we did last year, so that's good. The van will see many more years on the road, hopefully. I'm racing against time here. I want to get this done before the sun sets, so I'm going to crack on and say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching as always. I hope you found this video useful and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please consider subscribing, and if you click that little alarm bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. I'm planning on making a full van build series in the new year using this van. I'm thinking about completely stripping out the interior and starting again. There's a few things I'd like to change. Having spent a lot of time travelling around in this van this year, we've realised that there's a few things we'd like to change, and I do love this van a lot, so it makes sense to keep this van and start again. I know the engine's solid. I've done a lot of work on getting rid of the rust. There's still rust popping up here, there and everywhere, which is a bit of a nightmare, but hopefully we'll get on top of it eventually. It's a project at the end of the day and it keeps me busy. So lastly, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to everyone that supported the channel this year. I hope you all have a lovely Christmas and hopefully I'll see you in the new year. And that's another t-shirt ruined. What can you do? It's gone through the jumper and into my nice t-shirt. Great. I don't think I have any nice clothes actually. They've all got stains on them.